So guys, yesterday I was just sitting around scrolling through reels and this one reel popped up on my feed that literally had 2 million likes. And when I checked the views, bro, it had already gotten 39 million views in just 2 days. And guys, every single reel on this account had millions of views. So I went over to YouTube and searched for this type of content, and I found only one channel making these kinds of videos. That channel had uploaded just 65 videos and had already gained more than 200,000 subscribers. But there was one big mistake this channel made, and because of that, YouTube didn't monetize the channel. I'm going to tell you exactly what that mistake was and how you can avoid it later in this video. But first, let's see how you can actually make these types of videos. So first, open Chrome and search for ChatGPT, then open the first website. If you're opening the website for the first time, just sign in. Now, simply type a prompt like this. Give me a bull and scorpion hybrid picture prompt. Then send it. And as you can see, the prompt is ready. If you want to generate a hybrid picture prompt using different animals, simply replace the words bull and scorpion with the animals you want. Alright guys, now copy this prompt. Next, go to Chrome and search for Leonardo AI, then open the first website. If you haven't signed in yet, just sign in using your Gmail account. Once you're inside, you'll see an option called Image Creation. Click on it and paste your prompt. Then go to the settings icon and set the image size to a 9:16 aspect ratio. After that, click Create. Wait for a few moments and your image will be generated. Now, choose whichever image you like the most and download it. Next, we're going to generate one more picture prompt using ChatGPT. This time, we want the bull and scorpion to be separate but standing together and facing each other. So give ChatGPT this prompt. Give me a picture prompt in which a bull and scorpion are together facing each other. Again, ChatGPT will generate a great picture prompt for you. Copy that prompt and go back to Leonardo AI. Paste the prompt and click Create again. Once the images are generated, download whichever one you like. Now it's time to animate your hybrid image. For that, go to the Luma AI website. Don't worry, I've added the website link in the description. If you're using the website for the first time, simply click Continue with Google and sign in. Once you're inside, you'll see two options. The first one is for generating a video from text. The second one is for generating a video from an image. Select the second option, then click the gallery icon and upload your image. You'll also see an option to enter a prompt. Simply type Add motion, then click Generate. Your video will start generating. Once it's ready, click the three dots and download the video. However, you'll notice a watermark near the bottom of the video. To hide it, you can slightly zoom in on the video or blur that area. And that's it. Now, bring both of your images into the KineMaster app. First, import the image where the two animals are separate. Then import the image that you converted into a video. After that, add some background music. I'll upload the background music to my Telegram channel so you can download it from there. Now, trim your images according to the beat of the background music. You can also add a transition in between the clips. Finally, play your video and see how cool it looks. Now, let me tell you about the problem that prevented that other creator's channel from getting monetized. The problem was that he didn't add anything unique or original to his videos. He was simply uploading images with background music over and over again. Because of that, his videos got views and he gained subscribers, but his channel still wasn't monetized. So here's the solution. You need to add something unique and original to your videos. For example, you can use an AI voice and add your own commentary. You can explain something like, if we combine a bull and a scorpion, what would they look like? And then show the transformation. If you add this kind of original value to all of your videos, you'll have a much better chance of getting your channel monetized. And guys, if you enjoyed this video even a little bit, make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to become a successful YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and become a part of our little family. And if you have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll try to reply to everyone. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.